Hey folks, welcome to an interesting video on Aurora. In this video, I will be talking through the Aurora ecosystem and together we will explore what makes Aurora unique and amazing. So let's get started. For those of you who are new to Aurora, Aurora is an Ethereum virtual machine, also known as EVM, created by the New Protocol team to bring about Ethereum compatibility and bring about a scaling solution that can run on Near but be compatible with Ethereum. The Aurora environment consists of the Aurora engine as well as the Rainbow Bridge, which is a bridge between Near and Ethereum. Now that you're familiar with Aurora, let's take a sneak peek into the Aurora ecosystem. Now, this picture might be a little overwhelming, but I'll talk a little bit through each of these components. Before we talk about the Aurora ecosystem, I'm sure you have several questions before trying to learn a new layer 1 or a new layer 2. Aurora is a layer 2 solution built on top of Near to help bring Ethereum scalability. Why should you learn about Aurora? Why should you build on top of Aurora? Having a rich ecosystem should be one of the primary factors to consider building on a particular protocol. This is why today I'm walking you through the rich ecosystem of Aurora and its early partnerships to show that the team is serious about onboarding more builders as well as onboarding more projects. To support DeFi based ecosystems, you can see that there are AMMs that are a part of the ecosystem, such as Trisolaris, Sushi Swap, Aurora Swap, and Curve Finance. There are a couple of other projects like Dodo, DMM in beta, and WannaSwap that are also a part of the AMM cycle. There are already several launch pads that are launching to support Aurora projects such as SmartPad, NearPad, and Boca Chica. You might have heard of SmartPad if you're already researching into the Aurora ecosystem. Of course, Aurora is a layer 2, so it's all about bridging, and cross chain bridges such as Allbridge, Rainbow Bridge are already existing in Aurora and have got great reviews. There are lending protocols such as Rose and Ariadne, which are part of the ecosystem as well. You can see that there are projects such as yield optimizers. There are also oracles like Flux Protocol and DIA that are part of the ecosystem. And there are a lot of other projects that are coming up slowly that will come as part of the Aurora ecosystem. Every day, people who are looking to build scalable Ethereum projects are looking into Aurora as a potential solution because it takes advantages of the speed and the transaction finality of Near, as well as giving you the toolkits that are Ethereum compatible. What else do you want? Let's take a quick look into the Aurora world, right? We have already seen a couple of things here. There is Curve Finance, there is Trisolaris, the Allbridge, Antimatter, eMoney, Onomi, Sushi Swap, Kyber Network, which are some of the popular DeFi projects in the Aurora world. Pay attention to the fact that Aurora quickly integrated with Curve Finance, which is a popular DeFi protocol that is existing on the Ethereum ecosystem. You have new explorers like Block Scout, which have been built for Aurora. But having said that, existing developers who prefer existing explorers like Etherscan, there is an integration available for that as well. There is a security project called Happy, which I implore everybody to go and check out because this is doing some cool things in the security space for blockchain. You have trading platforms like Woo, a launchpad called SmartPad, which we already seen, and NFT projects as well in the Aurora ecosystem. These are some of the existing ecosystem projects. However, in the next couple of slides, I want to show or rather throw light on some important integrations that Aurora went for in order to make the builder's life easier. Let's see what are these integrations. The graph, a popular query slash indexing protocol, which is used to index blockchain data using GraphQL, which is an existing technology. Now, Graph, when it came out, the Graph protocol was extremely popular because it was one of the fastest ways to query and get data from the blockchain. Aurora has partnered with the Graph to bring data in indexing for the Aurora blockchain. That means if you are familiar with the Graph and have worked with that on existing EVM based protocols, it's going to be a piece of cake for you to bring that indexing to your Aurora project, right? It's going to make developers' lives much easier because this integration helps them query data from blockchain and use that for their projects. Another important piece in building a dApp, or rather building a project in the blockchain ecosystem, are oracles. A popular oracle is Chainlink, which provides several services, including verifiable random functions, price feeds being one of the most popular solutions, and a couple of other API-based oracle solutions. Aurora announced their integration with Chainlink's price feed solution, and this comes in as a great relief because price feeds are popularly used in, say, DeFi protocols or betting products that use prices of tokens and many other products that are centered around the token price economy, right? Now, this integration also shows that Aurora has been very fast forward in terms of thinking as well as in terms of ecosystem collaboration because Chainlink is one of the most popular Oracle solutions. Now that Aurora has already integrated the price feed solution, other solutions are only very close by and we'll probably see them in the near future as well. Another important step in expanding the Aurora ecosystem is indexing with another popular indexer, integrating with another popular indexer, Covalent. Covalent supports multiple layer 1s and layer 2s, and the fact that Covalent is now supporting Aurora mainnet indexing. This makes, again, if you want to build an NFT project, if you want to build some sort of analytics dashboard, right, for Aurora, or if your project involves just having analytics, or you want to build an NFT marketplace, you want to get NFT data, all of these kind of different data can be extracted from Covalent. So Aurora's mainnet integration with Covalent brings about a huge advantage to those building in the Aurora ecosystem. Now, last but not the least, right? Aurora also has its own DAO, announced their own DAO, and it's called the Aurora DAO because Aurora wants most of its decision to be taken by the community in a decentralized way, right? Now, the best way to do this is to involve governance, to have a council of folks who will vote on the important features, important decisions that are taken for Aurora. You can see that there on the council there are members from both the Ethereum and the near ecosystem, like 1inch, we can see Pantera Capital, Dragonfly Capital, Covalent, and couple of other Infura, right? Some of the popular known names. Now, this shows that Aurora as an ecosystem wants to go in the direction of decentralization, wants to go in the direction of community, and Aurora DAO is one of the biggest steps towards creating that decentralization and governance process. This video was a sneak peek, as I mentioned, into the Aurora ecosystem, their early collaborations. Since their mainnet launch in May 2021, Aurora has only moved forward at a fast and at a very appreciable pace in terms of bringing more tools, bringing more collaborations for developers to make their lives easier so that projects and products on Aurora can be supported as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope that you have gained a little bit more insight into the Aurora ecosystem. There are lots of blogs available on the Aurora blog site as well that you can go and check out. There is announcement for each of these collaboration as well as what it means to the entire Aurora ecosystem. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.